B Squad? It's your girl B. And I'm back with another video. In this video, I won't say it's lit. By the look of my face and my eyes, I'm not in a good place, and I'm not in a good mindset. I've had a big argument with my so-called boyfriend, and I believe this time I'm breaking up with him because I'm sick of his ass. He's not a man enough for me. I'm tired of his ways, and I'm tired of how he acts. My current situation, I don't even drink, you guys. I don't even drink. But today I'm finished to drink this bottle of wine. I've left home. I'm over somewhere that I don't even know where I'm at. And I'm just parked here, and I'm not going home no time soon. I may just be sleeping in my car, because that's how fed up I am with all this shit that I've been going through. You know, I try to be a good woman for 13 years to this man, but he just doesn't seem to want the same thing I want. He doesn't want me to do anything. He doesn't want me to work. He don't want me to go to school. He wants me to sit at home and answer the phone every time he rings. He wants me to depend on him. I've been stressed out. I've been going through back and forth to the hospital, and I haven't been in the hospital in God knows how long, from anxiety attacks and stress. My face is swollen right here. Y'all can see my eye is swollen. I'm just so stressed out, and I'm so under so much stress. I've been crying all day. Another reason why my eyes is all stressed out. And I'm just fed up, and I can't do this shit no more. So I'm just finna try to figure my life out and just move on and leave him and get my own place, because it's not working out. I need y'all help. It's hard for me. He's verbally abusive. He's a narcissist, and he's controlling, and I'm sick of it. I can only take so much, and after that you just can't take no more. You just have to leave and figure out your life. Everything ain't always peaches and cream just because it looks like it in a couple of videos. But I've been unhappy, and I've been unhappy for a minute now, and I've been trying to make it work and trying to figure out a way to get the situation back right or make a solution for it. But I don't think there is a solution for this situation anymore. So if y'all think y'all can help me, y'all know anything y'all can do to help me, anything that I could do to try to get myself out this situation. I don't work right now. He's my sole provider, and he helps me and helps take care of me because he doesn't want me to work. I go to college online. He doesn't even want me to go to the college. I have a license to be a real estate agent. He doesn't want me to be a real estate agent. He doesn't want me to do anything. He wants me to be trapped. He doesn't want me around my family. He doesn't want me around my kids. All he wants me to do is be by myself so he can verbally abuse me and talk shit. I wait patiently for him every week to come home so we can have a beautiful time together and be happy. But when he comes home, it's the opposite of it. It's no beautiful time. It's too much tit for tat and bickering, and I'm just too old. I took off my engagement ring and I gave it back. I took off my wedding ring and I gave it back. I don't want it anymore. I don't want anything from him. I have to find my own way, and I need you guys' help to help me get to this point, because I'm just getting too depressed, too upset, too many anxiety attacks, too many panic attacks, and just stressed out. And I don't want to be dying early because of somebody, a broken heart. I'm just tired of it. It's time to move on. I could be okay by myself. I just need to find me a friend, and I'm not talking about a boyfriend, just a girlfriend or somebody that I can take my mind off of all of this and move forward. If you guys have anything that you guys could help me with, any solutions, please leave it in the comment section. I know my comments is cut off, but you can always go Facebook or Instagram. Lovely Rosalind on Instagram and Facebook. Lovely Rosalind 51, Lovely Rosalind 52, and Lovely Rosalind are B Squad. Yeah, and you can find me under those names and leave a message because I'm down. If I ever been that I'm drinking wine, something I don't do, just to calm my nerves because I'm so sick and tired. It's just I just don't know what to do no more. Right now, I want to sleep in my car because I don't want to go back home and I don't want to be around him. So I blocked him on my phone so he can't call me because I don't want to hear him screaming and hollering at me. I'm done. So I'll get back to you guys. And if you're new and just getting here, please like, comment, subscribe. I need y'all's support. I really need y'all's support. I need y'all to help me with my videos so I can start being able to take care of myself and be able to get some money to help myself to move forward and get away from this relationship, be independent on my own, so I won't have to be around this man. I don't feel safe around him anymore. I just don't want to be around him. And he's always, my grandkids was over yesterday, and he said some things that hurt me really bad when it came to my grandkids and them being over there. So I just don't feel comfortable. It's like I'm walking on eggshells around him, and that's not the life I want to live. So I'm going to let y'all go, and I'll get back to y'all in a little bit when I'm feeling a little bit more better. All right. Talk to y'all in a little while. I don't know if you guys heard me. It's your girl B back with another video. I've been off and on here and there, going through a lot. I'm back. Finna eat me a little breakfast. Y'all can see I'm eating noodles. A couple of pieces of fish. It's my noodles, how I hook them up. I just can't eat just plain noodles and some fish. Starting this day off with another video. I don't know what this day may hold, but you guys just stay tuned to see where I'm going with it. I've been up taking care of some business. I may get into anything today. I'm feeling a little bit better. So we'll see where we're going. Stay tuned for more. Good evening, good afternoon, my B squads and lovely. It's your girl B. I'm back with another video. I'm waiting on my daughter to stop by and get something. Then I'm on my way out on a mission. Today I'm not going to be driving. I'm going to be taking a walk. I may be walking downtown, Old Town. Let's check out what's going on down there today. And I'll be taking y'all along, so stay tuned for more of your girl B. I'm just here chilling, just me. Me doing me. Alright? So y'all stay tuned for more of that. Okay? Good evening, everyone. It's your girl B. Back with another video. Chilling at the house. I believe my daughter's about to stop by again. I don't know, but I'm just chilling today, taking it easy. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. I'm having an okay day, doing all right, trying to stay positive and not letting the BS that always happen each and every day. The devil tries to tempt you with some type of BS, but I'm just staying positive and letting it ride right over my head. So I hope y'all doing good and having a good day. I'll get back to y'all real soon. So stay tuned for more of your girl, Busy B. Okay, you guys, it's me again. I just want to let y'all know that I done got a little sleepy, so I'm going to take a little nap, and I'm going to get back to y'all in a little bit with some more content and some videos. You guys, please support my reels and my shorts and my videos, I will support you back. I appreciate all you guys' likes, comments, and hearts, and I really appreciate, and I appreciate if you guys can give me a lot more hearts and likes. I really need them. Thank you for all that you have done and doing. And I hope you guys all stay blessed and stay positive. Good things is coming everybody's way. And stay prayed up. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I'm going to take me a short nap, okay? Like, oh.
This taco salad was so good. Made me want to go out the window and fight myself and jump out.
What? What kind of taco shells are those?
Hot Takis.
All right. Good evening, everybody. It's your girl B back with another video. And I'm here with my family once again, just chilling. I'm just dressed today like a grandma, so y'all overlook how bad I'm looking. My daughter's not feeling good. My kids are here. Oh my God, they're making a mockery. Look at them.
That guy. I think if you wanted to, I will slip you in the jeans. Why are you recording me again?
Don't you act like that on my YouTube channel, little girl. The juice is cold. I don't even know why y'all need ice.
That's my girl. Oh, I see.
Fucking shit out!
Was that ice pot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Is it your feet?
Really, Mom?
Get over here, brother.
I'm about to break his neck.
Right?
What is that?
Yo, what you want to do? That's all you want to see. Get your ass up. Say, why is there lettuce on the counter? Please tell me. It wasn't there before.
These hairs are hurt and my balls are
What? Let me shut up. Let me slap you. Move your hand before I bite your finger. Saya? Really, Mom?
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. What?
If y'all don't get some
Brother, I'm about to
self,
slap
brother,
you.
get over here and eat your food.
Okay.
You know too much for me.
I'm gonna get my belt. I'm gonna get my
Well,
belt.
you're not getting juice now.
Yeah.
Let me go on his juice.
No.
If you don't get your talky finger
Here,
ass up,
boy. Get over here. Drink this and I'll be wiggling and dancing.
I'm about to go to jail. I'm about to go to jail. Have you ever heard Medea when she said she about to go to jail?
Who?
Medea.
Who's that?
Get your ass off my couch eating all this.
Who's that?
I'm gonna have to blink a lot. I'm gonna have to,
Is that her?
let's, what is it called?
No. It's
Bleep a
called.
lot of stuff out.
Please don't. That's what it's called.
Eat your tacos out. We never gonna get around to playing the game.
You didn't eat some tacos yet?
I
Me and my
have.
grandson finna play this game together. Right here. And we're gonna see who's going to win.
I don't really like the Shelly.
The Shelly.
Mhm.
It's called the shell.
Fourth right there we were going for.
Too sour.
You don't like lettuce and tomatoes and cheese and ketchup?
Do you?
Yeah. And sour cream.
Do you?
If y'all need to know who's making all that extra noise in the background. I don't know, Rice, anything you may hear in the background. What?
She probably, I haven't heard from Tiana since she invited me to go to that party.
Cut. And a little bit of that.
Look, brother.
Get down, get down. Get down.
You stay over there, Mama.
Stop! No!
You missed.
Okay, let's play. Okay, let's play. Okay, let's play.
Look at this shit right here. Brother made it was big.
You're nasty. You're a daddy son.
She ain't gonna answer.
She nasty. She nasty. She's her daddy son.
That juice is so nasty. That orange one, oh my God, that shit is unhealthy.
Grandma, when we gonna play?
When you sit down and start acting accordingly. Y'all gonna make me go Medea on your asses because I'm trying my best. But all that's acting up you've been doing now, you want to act like you've been good or something right now?
Tito.
Charlie, bro.
Snatch his soul. I'm a grown woman, ain't no running, I'ma take it. Better put it down, cause this loan I